Leatherman Wingman review coming right up.
Silent scan.
Hello and welcome back. If you're new to the channel and you're a suburban operator and also just like to see some cool stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the little bell notification so that you're sure to not miss anything. And today we are taking a look at the Leatherman Wingman. This is a great budget EDC item, budget multi-tool from Leatherman. The nice thing about this one, like I said, is it in fact being a budget item. We'll get into the price here in a little bit. So this is probably my favorite one to carry, and let's go ahead and just get into the specifications now, which anybody could look up, but we're going to go ahead and do that for you. Closed length is 3.8 inches, weight is 7 ounces, blade length is 2.6 inches. And the nice thing about this is you can get to a bunch of the tools from the outside, and some of these actually do lock. So as you can see, we got the blade here, nice little combo blade made out of 420HC steel, so nice budget steel. Has this little liner lock here, you just push in. Then we have the scissors here. These ones aren't too bad. These are actually pretty nice scissors, nice and springy. Again, you see they lock in. Then you just fold them closed. Okay, and then this is the part that floors me every time I look at these things. Spring-loaded pliers. How is it that the $40 pair of Leatherman pliers have springs, but if I go and I pay, you know, $120 for a charge or $80 for a wave, those don't have springs, but for $40 I can get spring-loaded pliers. It baffles my mind. They should have them on every single set of pliers that they make if they can put them on this. But anyway, so here's the pliers. It has some pretty decent, a decent needle nose tip. Then you have your standard plier, your wire cutter, hard wire cutter. These are non-replaceable, of course, because they want you to go back and buy another $40 multi-tool. And while we're here, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the screws. As you can see, this is Torx construction, so you can take it apart and service it, which I personally think is really cool. And let's go ahead and take a look at some of the tools here. So we got on this side, we have regular flat blade screwdriver and one of those 2D style Phillips head. Works perfectly good. I like that it has a little bit of a longer shank on it. And in case you didn't know what they were for, they got the little symbol there, flat head, Phillips head. Pretty nice. Then coming over to the other side, we have a nice little assortment of tools here. We have your can opener slash bottle opener, which, you know, everybody loves. Then you have this smaller flathead screwdriver with a ruler. It's about 1.5 inches. Also has a file, a one-way file. And this little thing is actually what I get the most use out of on this. It's a package opener. This really works nice for those clamshell packs that are really, they're just a mother to get open and not destroy what's in them. So this thing's actually nice and worth owning just for that tool. I wish that tool was an option on a few more of Leatherman's offerings. And then the last thing about this is it does come with a pocket clip. It's one of the only ones that comes with a pocket clip. Fits real nice in your pocket. It's 7 ounces. It doesn't exactly disappear, but it's also not super weighty. So I really like this one for anybody who's just looking to get into multi-tools. You know, a lot of Leatherman stuff is a little expensive. You know, anywhere between $60 and $90 for what I would consider an introductory tool. But this is really nice, and the nice thing is you can find it at a lot of major department stores like Walmart and Target and stuff like that. And then obviously you can get it on Amazon too, is the cheapest price. Link in the description if you want to go there and buy it there. It is an affiliate link, so it will help the channel. So let's go ahead and take a look at this compared to some other things. So here we have the Juice S2. This is an older model. The new ones don't exactly look like this, but as you can see there, a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and get a look at the thickness on this. Right there, they're actually relatively close on thickness, but the length is where you'll see a big difference on that one. And we'll go ahead and just bring in something else since it's just sitting here. Leatherman Raptor. Review to come on that. So there it is next to that too. But overall, I really like this. I like this multi-tool a lot, especially at this price point. I feel like everybody should buy one and just throw it in their car and forget about it. At the prices that it's offered for, you know, they make fantastic gifts. I've given, oh heck, probably at least a dozen of these away as gifts for people. And also, this would be a good gift for like a Boy Scout or any young person who's looking to be a little bit more self-reliant. And you just never know when you need this stuff. Go ahead and put in the comments below what your favorite starter multi-tool is. Like the first multi-tool you give to people that have never dealt with a multi-tool before. That's all I have for you guys today. As always, tack out.